Smooth tan clang, ain't nothing to trade with.
When it comes to the money, you wouldn't put it.
It's not good.
When it comes to the money, you wouldn't put it.
Smooth.
I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me.
Smooth tan clang.
When it comes to the money, you wouldn't put it.
Smooth tan clang.
Yo, you
Smooth tan clang, ain't nothing to trade with.
When it comes to the money, you wouldn't put it.
It's not good.
When it comes to the money, you wouldn't put it.
Smooth.
I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me.
Smooth tan clang.
When it comes to the money, you wouldn't put it.
Smooth tan clang.
Yo, you
What is going on, traders? Welcome to an evening edition of the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth, and today's the day, well, this evening is the evening that the Lord has made. Let's see if we can find something to trade in here. Looks like the shorts might be coming in. So we might be having some shorts in here. Looking for a secondary pump. We've got the first pump here. Looking for another one. A little power long in here. Dump. We'll see. J Ray, what's up? SEC's back. Yeah, I'm curious to see how the new indicator works in this low volume environment. We've had this low volume environment the last few days as well. What's going on, Tyson? I took a short on Bitcoin from up here. This is Bitcoin right now. This is micro Bitcoin. Took a short from up here. Looking to possibly take profits around 116, I think. Yeah, 116. Yeah, we'll see if we get it. It's alright if we don't. She could be pumping a little more. I'd like to see another little attempt to the upside here. Possibly putting in a delta trap here. Maybe another candle like this. Like that. Then get a move to the downside. Or maybe they bounce from here. Maybe this is going to be up forever now. We'll see. What's up, Joey? How you doing, brother? This is your first night session tuning in? Well, I'm not going to be here for too long. I just want to come in here for a couple hours and just sing you guys a lullaby. Put you to sleep. You know, my calm voice has a way of putting people to sleep. Imagine if people start like refurbishing or repurposing my my live stream so they can go to sleep. I kind of do that sometimes. There's this one YouTube channel I watch called the Y-Files, and the guy tells like great stories, really, really great stories. And they're always like really cool sci-fi stories. And man, like 3 minutes into it, I'm falling asleep. I'm knocked out. You're back testing, Joey? Nice, brother. You gonna do a little bit of back testing tonight? Yeah, that's smart, man. Love the Y-Files? Yeah, the Y-Files are the joint, man. Y-Files are great. And if you guys have never seen the Y-Files, you got to check out the Y-Files, man. They're dope. Put me right to sleep though, the Wi-Fi's. We might get in that move to the downside here. What's up, Jabbar? Oh man, we thought you got kidnapped, bro. You're back. We didn't think we'd see you again. I'm glad you're here, Jabbar. We missed you a lot, my brother. You had a big day today. You do enjoy some conspiracy, right? So do I. Yeah, we might be getting a power short signal here, which I'd probably like to take. I think I'm going to front run this a little bit. No more morning trades, huh? This is the time you trade? Joey, let me see if I understand you. So you said the problem you're having with TradingView is that when I go into the 1 hour or the 4 hour, it already shows where price is going to move, and I need those TFS timeframes for my strat. I don't understand what you mean by that. Jabbar, yeah, evidently only I didn't make 20K. I don't know, Pecos, what kind of language that is. Joey, I'd like to help you with your problem, but I'm not understanding what you mean. So when you're saying you're trying to backtest on the 1 hour, but you can't, for what reason? What reason does the backtesting not work for you in the 1 hour? ATRs are really low right now. You got about a 3 on the ATR. What's going on, beautiful heart? How you doing? Good to see you in here. So far, so bueno. Too much noise in the New York session? Yeah, I think it's really. So at 9:30 price on the 1 minute will be at 3:30, for example. But when I hop on the 1 hour, price the candle is already formed and price will show 389. Joey, do you know how to use the the trading room in Discord? Lots of manipulation. Oh, you're on the train right now, beautiful heart. Wow. In the after hour sessions, I watched the MEQ from 500, 570 with no pullback. Really? It passed you by, Tyson? That sucks. You don't know how to use the you don't know how to use the trading room, bro? What's going on, Goreen? How you doing, man? Welcome back. I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time understanding what you mean, man. Happy Trading will join in about 2 hours. What's Happy Trading? Happy Trading is someone else? I was looking to add to this short here, but we just missed the second entry. Who's Happy Trading? Is that like Happy Gilmore? Took a little short on Bitcoin. I'm expecting it to hit 116. If it hits 116, I'll cash out. I have a short on it. Have it on my leverage exchange. Oh man, she's going. Damn, man, does the STC work at night? They say. Does it work in low volume? They say. Will it make me millions? They say. I don't know. The verdict is still out. The verdict is still out there. You're doing homework, William? You better do your homework, boy. You know what's good for you. You're in gold tonight, Goreen? Yeah, gold might be better, right? What's up with gold? Let's check out gold real quick. Gold. I love gold. Let me see. Power shorts coming in. Shorts coming in for gold too. I like a short on gold from this area, maybe. Maybe we got to pull back into the dump zone. She's being held at the daily right now. We'll see. NQ is just fiddling in the middling here. Will she try to make a run to the VWAP, somewhere close to the VWAP? Maybe, maybe not. You sent it in the main chat, Joey? All right. Oh, yeah, Tyson. Gold and NQ are a little different. I learned that too. Learned it the hard way. Let's see if we add a couple more in here. Oh, she's getting stronger. All right, let me see. I'm looking at your chart, Joey. So this is your chart on the 1 minute. And then this is your chart on the 1 hour. No, this is your chart on, yeah, this is your chart on the 1 hour. But what's the problem? You're still not following what the problem is. What's the problem, Joey? What's the problem with your chart? I don't get it. What's the issue? So this is your 1 minute. You already know price will go from 342 to 392. So why don't you try going back to a different day, dude? Don't do today's price action. Do like last month's price action. When I already know that the price is what it's going to do in a day, I go back a little further. Let's see if this price goes down by the VWAP. You have a 3,700 target on gold. That one is from July 17th, but I think it's just an issue with replay. Really? Oh, it's got a ripper here. Look at this ripper. Market does not want the downside, huh? Nice, nice, nice. That worked out perfectly. Now we can set our stop loss. See if we take one off here. Wow. Chop, 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 chop. Asia open? Oh, is that what it was? Yeah, Asia open. That's what this is, the Asia open. No, Chinese guys are coming out in flocks now. Because this is the Asia open. All right, we took one off, so we'll move to break even on it. If we keep going down, this might get interesting. Let's smack it, guys. Let's smack this Asia open. See if we can smack that VWAP. You got a 3.56 on the ATR. Not much happening on the ATR right now, but price might find some direction here to the downside, I'm hoping. We have the red wave. We have plenty of power short signals in here. We had one final run, which I think now we're going to have another power short coming in. Dumpy dumpy. Khan made 25K. What are you talking about, Pecos? He made when did he make 25K? You mean James? James made 25K. Said he won any trades. Did Khan make 25K too? Trying to get a pretty aggressive chop here. You got me. I'm lost, dude. I don't know what you mean, Pecos. Kind of lost. I have no idea. James 3.0 ATR make 50K. All right, we're gonna get stopped out here more than likely. We're at the chop open, the Asia chop open. At least we took one off. Let's see if we get an entry somewhere. Market's been on a pumpathon. 5 minute also looks very strong. Making a series of just series of higher highs here all along this stretch. I don't know if she's gonna roll over or she's gonna end up ripping, but we have some gaps to fill to the downside, that's for sure. Have a gap here. Yeah, looks like the market was ripping here at the open, at the 6 p.m. open, or now she's kind of just fizzling out at 3.5 ATR right now. Gold target filled. How is gold doing? Gold. Yeah, gold did go down a little bit, right? Yeah, she came right into this dump zone. And now she's getting a power short signal on the 5 minute. This could keep going. NQ is ripping. Good job, Roarine, on the long. Yeah, I guess we are better off taking some scalps. I didn't realize that was the Asia Open at 9 p.m. That's how much of a noob I am at nighttime. Ripper. So this is what, Tokyo? Tokyo comes in right now and they start tearing things up after they got the news of the rate cut, huh? Tokyo. Gold move $8? $8 hairs? Yeah, I'm looking for Bitcoin, you get the 116. I don't know if it's going to do it. Catching a little bit of it's catching a little bit of a pump too. Yeah, well, price actually went from being very dumpy to now being very bumpy. We might be curving up soon. Let's map this area out here. That's where the pump originated from. Oh, man. Oh, ATRs are increasing. That's nice. We got a 4. Market's on a rampage right now. I gotta be a little quicker to these moves. I thought that was an all-time high. Got that level marked out. It rejected hard from there. I think that was a dump zone from earlier today. Asia open, huh? Asia has that kind of an effect. I'd like to see another candle here. Another. Let's see if we get another delta candle that comes up like this. A little bit high. That would be putting in a delta trap. In order to possibly see a short. I don't know if we're going to see a short. We're kind of pumping right now. Yeah, we're turning things around. Looks like we are getting back to a green wave. I have a feeling that somewhere in here she could lose it though. This 24,600 level. China market, be cautious, right? A lot of little Chinese guys everywhere. And it's creating that delta trap. They could roll over. Gold moves by range, meaning like $8 move, only thing is identify the range level of the close, huh? Yeah. Yeah, gold is continuing its way down. It's gonna make a good short. Gonna try a little paper short on gold. See if we end up getting out in the guard way. All right, now market is turning from very bearish in here to starting to get very bullish now. We've got the pump on the candles. We've got the green wave starting. Things are looking kind of hot, but I have a feeling she could roll over from this area. But right now she's just kind of doing that slow grind to the upside. Maybe hit 24.6, maybe 24.96, 24.596, 595, somewhere in here. We'll see. Power long is still working though. The power long from down here worked nicely. ATR is increasing. Almost 5 now. Wow. Bitcoin's pumping. See if she'll go and retest 580 at least. We saw this little bit of not really delta trap, a little bit. See if she'll get a retracement. I think NQ can get up to 605, but I'm out. Target fill 40 ticks. Target at NQ. Good job. She could make it down to 568, but we'll see. $46 is about 10 points. Yeah, it is. On the NQ it is. Let's see if she'll sweep 580. Oh, she might be getting a little dumpy here. Got some absorption. Still bouncing around. Oh, she's trying to snatch that 580. Let's see if she'll give it up. Maybe she'll drop down to the back to this pump zone, this 563 zone. I like that 563 zone. We'll see. I took a short there and on my TPT account, and we took 2 off, leaving 1 as a runner. We'll see if we get the 563s. Maybe even 568s. 567. We'll see. Thanks, Corrine. Yeah, we took the short off of this area that we had marked out as a dump zone earlier. We went up here once, and then we came up and grabbed the stops one more time, creating this delta trap down here. Very weak delta trap. It's still, we called it. We said we would probably see a delta trap here, and then we did. So maybe, I think in 560s here we can take our last TP, or maybe we should keep going. I don't know. Should we just leave it? I might just leave it. Maybe we just leave it, right? Maybe we start getting a move much further down. Hey, you never know. Could end up passing our TPT account. Well, actually, we can't. We can only make 1,500. So once we're up 1,500 on it, then we're up 360 on it right now, 375. We're up 370 at the moment. Thinking we can go to this VWAP pretty easily, 561. But what if, guys? Just hear me out, What if we actually just end up going down? Maybe I'll leave it open all night. Maybe this was the high of the night. Imagine if I leave it open all night. That'd be crazy. How many points do I need for 1,500? Let's see, we're at 588. 1,500 would be, let's see, it's 100 points is 2,000. We need 75 points. So we need 510. We need about 510. If we get the 510, we'll take 510 if we can get it. Yeah, maybe. It was all a dream. So my stop loss is at break even already. If it does dump, that is. Well, we're getting a dump. We're getting a dump signal right now on the 1 minute, right there. So maybe we just leave her. Trail to stop, huh? Maybe we will. Maybe we will. Right now things are looking pretty good for the drop though. So if she does come back, where should we take her if she comes back? We were gonna take profits here at 567, but what if she just dumps? Can she dump to 510? Let's see. We had to run up. 510. Yeah, I think we can get 510. This whole thing is a gap. All right. Am I right or am I right? Let's see if we have imbalances in there. I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. What happened? Come on. Do we have imbalances? Not really. POC level? Yeah, I'll look for the POC level. This thing's heavy duty. What's going on with our gold short? Our gold short is $800 in a profit right now. Nice. We're up $750 on that gold short. Look at that. Look at her go. Look at her go. Come on, baby. All right, let's take one off. I will say we take one off. Buy one limit there. Buy one limit there. We'll leave a runner. Oh, the imbalances are down here. 560s. Yeah, we do have them. We have imbalances down here in the 540s. All the way down 530s. We have some down here at 500 in the daily open. Maybe we head down to the daily open. Maybe we do. I don't know. We have imbalances up here too. Imbalances, oh no, they're gonna come and get me. What's up, Big Pun? It's been a while, dude. Yeah, I got a new strap, brother. We created this new indicator. It's called Smooth Trader Concepts. If you wanna use it for free, you can go ahead and use the link in the description or the link that's pinned in the chat, or you can go to our Discord and check out the Discord under this section right here, where it says, let me show you. Right here, Smooth Trader Concepts underneath info. Smooth Trader Concepts. You'll see 2 videos on how to use it and the free trial right there. Try it out for free. If you like it, great. If you don't, you don't got to pay for it. Right there. Two videos right there. Yeah, so we do got a really cool strap. Had a nice power long entry right there. Gave you that. We saw the Delta tell us here that there's a trap being set. This level that we marked out here was from a dump level from earlier today that I just slid on over. And we do have a pump level here, so I'm worried that she might come in here and go back higher. We do have a short right now on TPT, hoping it could break through the VWAP and continue going. So that's what I'm holding on for. I already took 2 off. Huge green wave right now on the 5-minute. Man, it's so bullish right now on the 5 minutes. It's crazy. It's probably just going to squeeze higher. Thinking it might just squeeze higher. Yeah, I don't blame you, brother. Have a good night, Goreen. I'm probably not going to be out here for much longer. I need maybe another 30 minutes. I might let this trade run all night. The short that I have right now. We also have a short on, we have a paper short on gold, but damn. She flipped it on me here. I think we come up here to this dump level. And maybe we add 3. Come back to that. Right, another little delta trap here. Then it gave you the run up. See, these delta traps, guys, they work. They work. Delta traps, they do plan out from time to time. Still got that short on Bitcoin. I don't know if it's going to end up working out, though. Hope it does. Be nice. Okay. Having a little pullback on the NQ now. I think there's a very good chance we could get a reversal from this area. We do have the VWAP in here that has not been tapped yet. Since the open, basically. She's been floating above that VWAP. What a ripper we had there. From 500 all the way to, yeah, for after hours trading, that's a lot. To about like 580. That's a huge run. 600 almost. That's a huge run. Oh, Bitcoin's getting a rejection. Nice. All right, cool. What's gold up to? Gold. I love gold. How was your trading today, guys? Anybody here took some trades that wasn't with us during a live session today? Did you guys make any money? Hopefully you did. Man, there was a guy today on our stream that made $20,000, man. This guy's a savage, man. He picks the most amazing levels and just holds them. One day I hope to be up to his caliber. Shout out to James. He goes by the moniker One Any Trades, and the guy is a beast, man. A lot of traders today had great days. Eagle Eyes. We had Khan had a great day. I think Goreen had a great day. A lot of traders had amazing days today. Are you missing notification, Twisted? That's cool, man. I'll be here for another 30 minutes. You locked in a few crumbs, Big Pun? Yeah, me too, dude. I took a lot of paper trades today, too, because it is FOMC day, so you gotta be careful. 20K is crazy. Congrats to him. Yeah, Harish. He's a savage, man. He's just low-key savage. He'll come in and just be like, yeah, I'm buying 10 contracts here. And then like 30 minutes later, I'll hear him say, I took off 8. I'll leave 2 running. And then I'll hear him like an hour later, yeah, we're about to TP. I'm about to TP here. I'm like, what? I forgot you were even here. Meanwhile, he's like, yeah, I locked in 10 grand for the day. Then later on, he's like, oh, I just locked in another 5K. Oh, I'm up another 5. Yeah, it's 20 grand on the day. Like, damn, dude. What strat does James, bro, James doesn't have a strategy, dude. All he says is he does a measured move. He's like, I'll do a measured move and then I'll wait for that TP and that's it. I'm like, what? He says, just take a ruler. He's like, just take a ruler and whatever you see, he's like, you'll get the same move to the downside or to the upside. I'm like, I have no idea what you're talking about. He promised me, he said he emailed me. I think he's got the wrong email address. But yeah, I don't know exactly. I have to learn what he's doing. More than his strategy, I need to learn his conviction. Like, where do you get this conviction from? To hold a trade that long when it looks so bad. It looks so bad, like it's coming against you. You're scared to go to 2 contracts? Yeah. Yeah, Twisted. And then he goes to 20. Yeah, looks like we're getting that ripper back up. Yeah, looks like we probably are. This market is very rippy. Looks like it wants to keep going. Is that so twisted? Yeah, Sam B was up over 10K today too. I forgot. I knew it was somebody else too. Sam B killed it today. Yeah, a lot of traders killed it today on the stream, guys. So if you guys aren't on the stream or you guys aren't in a Discord, a lot of amazing traders, man. Yeah, I've heard something like that before, Twisted. I've heard something like that before too. That's your strategy? Yeah, looks like we're probably going to get this move back to the upside. Should have probably TP'd where I said. I always do the same thing. I can never seem to catch the market. That's what you're testing out? Tyson, you were up 1,500, then I took a few bad trades and went into tilt mode and blew up an eval. That sucks, bro. I've been there, man. I've been there. You have a great morning and then you just end up giving some of it back, and then you try to make it back, and then you're like, oh no, this is not, I'm not gonna let it go down like this. And then you end up losing it all. I've been there plenty of times. I'll probably be there again. I'll probably be there again another day. What's up, Nova Charts? Yeah, trading is one of the hardest things you can do, guys. One of the hardest things you can do, mentally taxing. Because, for instance, I'm holding a short right now. My stop loss is at break even at 588, but I'm sure the little Chinese guy knows that already. So my stop loss is up here. I'm holding it. I'm trying to hold it down to 510. I wanted to initially take my profits here at 567, but I didn't. Because I said, you know, maybe it'll keep going. Maybe it'll keep going. So it's taking everything in my power to not just take profits here and at least make like 80 bucks, right? But the days that I do take the profits here, or here, maybe, you know, it'll be the day that it keeps going down to 510. But the days that I don't take the profits, it comes back to my stop loss or my break even. And that's what hurts about trading. Very difficult. What's up, Cam? Did you get your the DM I sent you back? Cool. Twisted, I don't think you know this, but we have all the same discount codes in our profit matrix. We have Apex, we have pretty much all of them, all the good ones at least, except for my funded futures who won't return my calls. I don't know why. So if you guys want Apex, we gave a free 50K Apex eval out earlier today. Right now they're 80% off. Bulenox is 83% off. Take Profit Traders doing a 40% sale. Tradeday 30, Tradeify 30, and Funding Ticks 35. Right now with Funding Ticks, you can get yourself a 50K for $50, a 50K eval for 50 bucks. It's a pretty good deal. No end of day drawdown and no activation fee. That's probably the best deal. But that's only a $1,000 payout every 5 days. But you can do 6 accounts and copy trade them. So you can actually do 6K every 5 days for about 300 bucks if you pick up 6 of them. So that's pretty interesting. All the links and all the coupon codes are down here. It also gives you all the breakdowns, so you can do a side-by-side comparison. You guys want to use this? Go ahead and use the link. Use the link that's pinned in the chat, and you guys can have access to that as well. Looks like we are getting a strong signal right now on Bitcoin. Bitcoin might be having a continuation. Oh, thank you, Twisted. I appreciate that. Bitcoin's going up for sure? Yeah. Right now I have like a scalp short on Bitcoin. I have a scalp short on Bitcoin. I'm trying to take profits at 116 in this between the IBs from this morning. Then I'm all long after that. Then I'll be all bull after that. I just think she wants to retest this area one more time. This pump area right here. It's usually what I see. The market likes to retest the origination of the move. I think it could retest this spot right here. So I have a TP at 116. Right now the NQ is kind of stalling out too. But I think she's probably going to end up blowing my face off here and going to the upside, stopping me out. I'd like for her to continue going down, but it's not up to me. Wow. Very strong market. We've got a green wave, and we're going to get stopped out here any second. I'll just take it off manually. Yeah, I should have probably taken it when it went down to 567, but it is what it is. You got a power long signal now. That's what I get for being a optimist. Optimist Prime. That's my name. That's my name. Come on, now you're gonna drop? Seriously? She's too funny. Yeah. It makes you intimate with the price action? Yeah, her and I get really intimate. Yeah, we'll be here tomorrow morning. I'm going to get off here in about 20 minutes. I just came to see what the market was doing. The market was moving pretty good. We got caught a nice short from here. We caught a really nice short. Too bad we didn't take all the profits. We took 2 off in here. Should have took the other one off there. That would have been a money maker. That would have been the seal the deal. You're waiting on my response about using the beta tester indicator? Really? You never messaged me about that. You probably messaged the scammer. Did you just send me that message now? Oh, there it is. You did message me yesterday at 9 o'clock. Oh, I'm sorry, brother. I missed that. My fault. I just sent you the message right now, bud. I'm sorry about that. I didn't see your message. It completely went over my head. I didn't see that first message. Is she really dumping now? That would be the funniest thing ever. It literally went to the dollar where my stop loss was. Who knows? Yeah, that's what I see. I saw it. I missed it because I saw the other message. All right, so we're in a big green wave, and we've got green candles with a pump here. Got a power long signal in here as well. More than likely, we're going to get a move higher. Oh, let's check on gold. Okay, gold, we're still up 780 on it. We'll take our first TP down here at 684. We never got the opportunity to add to the trade, but yeah, it is what it is. So I think we can get down here. The way the NQ is moving right now, looks like gold is probably going to dump a little more. I sold all my GLD yesterday, which is probably a good move, because today gold did dump hard. So we're going to power short in here real soon. Nice. No, the measured move is done by James. James is supposed to explain to me how he does his trading, because what he said to me, he does something crazy. Like, he just measures the move, he said, and then that's what he does. He said whatever the move does in one direction, it does in the other direction. That's what he said. Was this 9:30 a.m.? So, okay. So I'm assuming this is what he's referring to. This was he was calling out this level of 5. Yeah, he was calling out he was calling out this level, 540s. All right, so he was calling out this level shift. No, not even. He took it from down here, man. He took his trade from down here. This guy's a savage. Yeah, he said basically, whatever goes down, 300 points, you just do the same thing on the way up. I'm like, what? How did that even make any sense? But I guess it does. To him, it does. Just trying to break through the 590s. Getting a power short signal again. I don't know if it's gonna work out because we have a big green Globex, yeah, for sure. We need that push here on gold. It's moving really slow though. Right now there's nothing but upside right now in the NQ. I should have TP'd here and went long is what I should have done. Oh yeah? That sucks, Twisted. You know you could have traded it tonight because tonight counts as a different day. So if you made 1,500 this morning, you could have done the other 1,500 tonight. Take care, Joey. You could have done the other 1,500 tonight because this afternoon counts as a different day than this morning. Nah, I used to think that too, Twisted, but it's actually when the 6 p.m. Eastern market opens, when the Globex opens. The Globex open, and that's when it is. That counts as a new day. So you could technically pass a combine that has a 50% or an eval that has a 50% consistency in one day, if you trade the morning and the evening, and you're a beast. Because you got to be a beast to make 1,500 in the evening, let's be honest. What's up, J Trades? I do just do New York. I just came on here just for a few, just to shoot the breeze. But I'm going to get off here in about 10 minutes. To be honest with you, I really hate this slow market like this. I mean, sometimes when we get a slow market during the daytime, I can't stand it. And this seems to be like all it is here at nighttime. I think I have ADD. I need a fast market. I need a faster moving market because I get distracted and bored and I start pressing buttons. Yeah, I'm gonna get off here soon. Just wanted to say what's up. Yeah, it's probably not worth it for me to do these night streams. Not too many people on here. Maybe the 6 p.m., but not so much the night stream. Yeah, market's strong still. Yeah, 6 p.m. probably do better. Correct. Yeah, we're getting very, very, very strong signals here. Very strong. Thanks a lot, Twisted. I appreciate it. The measuring thing actually works in Nova charts. It lines up the same and the move back up the same. You mean this right here? Yeah, I just got to understand I got to understand why he's so convicted when he sees that, because I'm pretty good at finding reversals, but I'm not good at holding on to that trade as long as this man. I mean, he's in the trade for hours. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Nova charts. Yeah, but I gotta talk to him. I gotta understand. I gotta get in his brain. Like, what makes you so sure that it's gonna go there? That's the thing, because we'll get like a steep pullback. Like, he's the type of guy who he'll go long here, right? He'll go long here, and then he'll get this pullback, and he won't even bat an eye. He'll just be like, "Yeah, it's cool." He won't even sweat it. Like here, I'm sweating if it's coming back on me this much. Like when it was coming back on me on my short, I was like, should I take profits? Should I take profits? Should I take profits? Obviously, I ended up taking profits at the very last minute just so I didn't have to pay the fees on the trade. But he's the type of guy who he doesn't sweat it. He just let it go. Against him, then he goes and goes and goes and goes. So he crushes it. When I've traded like that, I have people yelling at me, take profits, just take the profits. And I can't argue with them because It's true. Sometimes I should take the profits because I end up going on tilt mode because I'm like, damn, I could have had 300 here. I could have had 400 there. I could have had 1,000 there. They add up. Why not take them? But this man, he'll just sit in his trade all day and just let it go. He's up 440,000 this year. This year to date, on his live trading account. He doesn't even trade prop. Yeah. It's about to hit 96 right now. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's about to rip for real. Definitely considering taking a long position on Doge, man. I think like that thing's about to rip. What's up, Art? How you doing, brother? How was your day today? Yeah, this market's very slow. Super slow. Art, you made it just in time for me to sign off in just a few minutes. All right, we hit the 56 just like Nova chart said here. We hit the 56. It's unreal. Yeah, when you make a move like this slow, a lot of times you get the elevator down. The slow grind up usually is the elevator down. Now look at this. Oh man, how is ugly price action? I'm like, what is that? This thing has no rhythm or rhyme or no reason, no nothing. It's crazy. Well, at least we know the power longs are working. We got the power long signals all in here. We even got another one now, but this one is probably going to give us a power short there. I wouldn't be surprised if it did. We had the pump signal here, turning this into a bullish trend. We had the other power long signal here right before this pump. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I see that, Nova charts. Yeah, Art, how's it work, man? Keeping yourself busy? How's the trading going? So the way the indicator works, guys, is the way it's meant to work is that when you have a green wave, you pull when you look for pullbacks into the green wave, and then you look for power longs. So pull back into the green wave on a low on a night like tonight where you have low volume. You want to be very safe and you want to keep it as A+ as possible, right? So you get the pull back into a green wave. We're in a bullish trend. You find a power long there. Take a little trade right here. 13 points in this environment. Not bad. Not bad. Here we had the high volume candle to the downside. If you want to go a little fancier, delta trap, this would have gave you the move up. Up here, we caught the short from the dump zone. Delta trap right there. Move down. Right now, I don't think this is going to be an actual short. I think we have a little more pumping to do. We'll see. Yeah, I'm calling it a night too. Yeah, thank you guys for jumping in and stopping by. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be here at 9:15. I just want to say hello and good night to everyone. Thank you all, and take care.
I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me.
Smooth tan clang.